this sponsorship will facilitate that engagement with the various activities being set up by the Rhino Arc Trust towards 1, conserving the mountain forests, 2, reducing human-wildlife conflicts, and then 3, also helping towards education of various communities across the country to understand their role in managing our forests, in managing the environment in which we live in.
And extremely happy here to see this long-term partnership between Safaricom and Rhino Arc and Rhino Charge being continued and actually being strengthened. As of today, we have already received 212 million shillings from Safaricom